Dysfunctional vet. I planted some kind of a white looking bean. I'm not sure what it is. That is my harvest for 2020. That is my harvest for 2021. Those are my pinto beans. That is my harvest for 2021. That is pathetic. With all this rain, crops have just not made. This, on the other hand, is my black-eyed peas harvest, and those were on an area which was more elevated than the rest of the crops. Almost everything is just completely underwater. It's rotted out. I've lost all but just a very few onions. I mean, just everything's lost. And if you look at it, that's a really pitiful showing for the year. Now, I may still get some more pinto beans. Actually, I won't, because I'm about to plow them under and replant, maybe see if I can get some more. The black-eyed peas, they're still coming up. I'm going to leave them alone, but it's really a shame. Whatever these white beans were, I doubt if you can see it. You can't see it. I've got the light on the UFO. Nothing's coming up. Earlier today, I smoked the daylights out of everything out here with the propane mosquito fogger, and I feel like I did pretty good. This plant right here has been completely devastated by the deer. I had a pretty good leaf formation on it earlier. The deer has been here. The deer has been here tonight, because this was looking good earlier today, and now it's completely doesn't look like anything. I have to put the triple arm around this. Having fogged earlier today, I'm able to walk out here at night and not be chewed up by mosquitoes, which is kind of nice. I had to really heavily fog this area to get it clear of mosquitoes.